This video will show you how to install dual wheels on an AT450. First, ensure the inner wheels are torqued properly to 65 foot-pounds as well as they are between 6 to 8 psi. Install the flange mount onto the inner wheel and install the wheel nuts with the tapered end facing the machine. Torque the nuts to 65 foot-pounds going in a star pattern. Raise the machine for installation. This can be done by driving onto a block or using a jack and jack stands. Make sure to engage the parking brake and have the engine off. Next, install the extension onto the flange mount and torque the center bolt down to 80 foot-pounds. Install the outer wheel onto the extension. Install the nuts and torque them down to 65 foot-pounds, going in a star pattern. Ensure the outer tire pressure is half of the inner tire pressure.